Today we're talking about how to draw like Will Eisner. Stay tuned. Hey there YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is Inkstainedpanda, the place on YouTube where we discuss art and do tutorials and stuff. So, today we're talking about the grandmaster of the graphic novel, Will Eisner. Quick facts: born in Brooklyn, New York in 1917 and passed away in Fort Lauderdale, Florida in 2005. Will Eisner was the famous creator of the Spirit comics, and later on in his career, he was one of the godfathers of the concept of the graphic novel. So yeah, man. So besides having been brought up on Mad magazines, Will Eisner was definitely of huge inspiration to me back in the day. His inking style and the way that he uses images to communicate a story really was inspiring to me. So let's delve into his style right now. So I'm gonna do a rendering of the spirit for this one. Just pausing in here for a second. As per usual, I'm in Procreate and I have the reference picture on my iPhone next to me. I kind of like to work on a semi-transparent gray layer to, it just helps my workflow. And when I'm done with the drawing, I remove that layer and let the white layer beneath it really pop, yeah? So check out the inking style of Will Eisner here. He's actually doing both solid blocks of color and also utilizing hatching techniques. Now, what I really find very inspiring, this is a spirit splash page. Now look how we've got the character here leaning on kind of a fence of sorts with rocks spelling out the character's name, yeah? Really inspiring, and you have that massive block of black in the back there that really makes all the areas of nothing really pop out, yeah. So Will Eisner, man, I'm gonna do a few more of these videos because I really like the style of Will. So stay tuned for that. So YouTube, that's going to be it for today. A quick dive into the style of Will Eisner. More will come about this guy because his inspiration on me has been so massive, really. So be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos on this topic, yeah? So until next time, keep drawing. Peace out.